Okay, so BrainPop is a super cool tool for teachers. BrainPop can be used in all subjects, and here are all the subjects. Here. Um, I remember whenever I was a student in school, we would use BrainPop as or the teachers would use BrainPop as like an introduction or just as a hook. And every time I would see BrainPop come up, I would get super, super excited. Anyways, so let's scroll down. So, down here, you have your BrainPop Junior, which is your K through 3, and then your BrainPop ELL, which would be for your ELL students. I had an ELL in one of my placements last semester, and this was super helpful for my teacher. She would always put him, or she would put him on BrainPop a lot and let him use this. And then you also have Game Up, which is where you could use this as a reward system. So when a student finishes their work or early, they can come and play games, or if they're doing good, really anything, or just to keep them on task. So I'll show you the BrainPop ELL. Okay, so placement test. Okay, so they would play this, and then let's play.
Hi, I'm Jack Bolton. I'm 10 years old.
Okay, and so this is just teaching them, like, okay, which one would they do? So we would pick this because they're saying hi, and then...
Are there any rabbits in the park? There are some rabbits in the park.
Okay, and so then they would find the rabbits that are in the park, and then so on and so on. So let's see if I can click out of this. Okay. Okay, and then we can go to the BrainPop Junior, which would be the K through 3. And here you have your science, your health, reading and writing, social studies, math, arts and technology, and it just goes through all the little things. And then here's the
Game Up.
Here's also the Game Up.
Game Up.
Game Up, and you can send your students here to
Arts and Tech
to do educational games and things like that.